Hello, my sweet tooth pals. Today, we're going to whip up some magical royal icing with Art Cake Tech's eggless meringue royal icing powders that come in a rainbow of colors. These icing mixes are perfect for making construction mortar, to build a house of cookie, and even for sticking on the candies. First things first, grab a bowl, a spoon, a glass, and a pair of scissors, and let the fun begin. With your cookie kits loaded with a rainbow of colors, making royal icing is a breeze. We start by pouring in some drinking water to our icing powder. To keep things precise, grab a measuring teaspoon or the one that arrived in your cookie kit to scoop out the water. Then give it a good mix with a spoon or spatula till it all comes together in a homogeneous mixture. We want the icing to viscous, shiny, and flowy, but not watery like a river. This is the cement that will keep your cookie house standing tall and your candy decorations in place. For that gooey, just right thickness, your icing must flow like a V-shape from the spoon into the bowl. Grab a glass and dress it up in a piping bag. Pour the icing in and then pluck the bag out for sealing. Don't forget to give your bag a good massage to bust any air bubbles, ensuring a velvety smooth decorating experience. Tie the bag's mouth shut with a foil twist tie, trapping the liquid inside like a genie in a bottle. Make sure it's snug and secure, so that the liquid doesn't run off on an adventure of its own. Unleash your inner cookie Picasso? It's as easy as snipping the tip of your piping bag and getting artsy with some icing.